Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. A crisp morning light washing over Khonoma as we pack up for the ride back. And just as we were about to check out, these sweet neighborhood kids ran over to give us the warmest goodbye.
Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye. Uncle Davo. Bye.
As their little hands wave in the rear view, the weight of leaving settles in. In just a few hours, this village took a piece of us. That crisp mountain air, the golden morning sun breaking over the mountain, the fresh breeze, it all felt like a quiet plea holding us in place, making us question why we were turning back at all. We rode out into the quiet of the early morning, empty streets stretching ahead, while few on their porches, casually beginning their household chores.
কোনটো আছিলে বাৰু এটা আছিলে ন এইটো আছিলে ন চিয়ৰ ব'লা
We got a little lost trying to find the road we came in on. With no internet signal that early in the morning, maps were useless, so we trusted our gut, picked a turn and took the chance.
ব'লা Oh. ভাল লাগিছে ন
Watching the sun slowly paint the village of Khonoma was absolutely breathtaking. Down in the valley, the paddy fields looked so picturesque, stretching into the distance. I held off on moving, just waiting for a crisp, clear view of those fields to grab a picture.
তামাম লাগিছে ন উফ এলা ফটো এখন লৈ যাও নি
Cobblestone alleys, hilltop houses perched against the sky, a quiet morning with no rush, no noise, just an incredible vibe that felt like stepping straight back in time. Khonoma is known as Asia's first green village, and riding through these silent streets, we finally understood why.
Excuse me, sir. Which is the way to Kohima? Kohima way? This way? Thank you.
It was a Sunday morning, so the usual hustle was gone. Shops were locked up, the streets were peaceful, and locals dressed in their Sunday best were making their way up to the church for service. We finally hit the highway, locking in the route to Kohima. From there, we're taking the road up to Mokokchung, passing through Wokha. We decided to take this route to complete the full loop, a scenic 180-kilometer ride taking us all the way from Khonoma to Mokokchung. Kohima seemed like a sleepy town as we rode through, which turned out to be a massive blessing. Had it been any other day of the week, we definitely would have been stuck in solid traffic. We pulled into Wokha town only to find out exactly what we feared, every single shutter down. It was right around lunchtime and our stomachs were screaming, so we crawled along the main strip, scanning every single doorway in the faint hope of finding a spot open for a hot meal. And just as we were about to give up and exit Wokha, we spotted a hotel which had a door open.
Oh, finally.
We were served a delicious lotha meal.
Bye bye. Bye.
After a proper heavy lunch and some tea to shake off the food coma, we hit the asphalt once more, winding our way straight towards Mokokchung. The stretch from Chukitong to Viketong was under construction, turning the route into a proper off-road track. Riding in the dead of winter meant thick clouds of dust everywhere, but honestly we didn't mind. A bit of dirt and gravel is a fair trade after miles of pristine asphalt. We finally made it to Mokokchung, greeted by a beautiful evening sky as the sun dipped below the hills. Having booked our stay in advance, we didn't need to hunt around. We followed the maps and headed straight for our homestay.
এইফালে হ'ব চাগে ৰবা
We arrived at Nachen Homestay, cleaned up, and spent a lovely evening chatting with our host. Along treated us to an awesome Naga meal, and we dozed off soon after.
Bye bye. See you. Bye.
We woke up a bit late, completely exhausted on our 6th straight day on the road. After checking out of the homestay, we left Mokokchung behind, hit the open highway, and settled into a smooth cruise back home. We reached Tuli and finally crossed the border, bidding farewell to our beautiful neighboring state and entering Assam just as the night fell. We pushed through the dark and reached home late that night, carrying memories of an incredible land and its warm people that will stay with us forever. Until next time, stay tuned.